guys, now we're upstairs.
Okay. So you can pack your bags because you have a whole life to find.
We're upstairs. And I'm flying. Okay, we're upstairs. Sorry, we had to break that. Yeah, we'll fix it.
This is my values. This is how I would do things if I were the wife of the home. I wouldn't have a girlfriend.
I'm not trapped here, but it's not a punishment for me.
Okay, let's fix it.
If you aren't going to go, then I guess I have to respect that. But I would say this. You have so much to offer to this world, and you're never going to find it with that.
I think that her saying that shows that she doesn't understand the whole thing.
I'm not going anywhere.
Chris doesn't want me to go. The kids don't want me to go.
Let's
so I'll follow my brother's rules, but I'm part of the family.
Gina thinks that Ashley should leave. She can show me.
Back in San Diego, with the no politics and no religion jar in place,
Now remember, every time you bring up politics or religion, it's $1.
Angela is introducing some carbohydrates and fun food preparation to the family.
Right. Brought in a bunch of stuff to make pizza.
Okay, sorry. We'll fix this at the end of the video. Here's our cafeteria on the top. Our cafe, our little cafe.
In New York, having immediately broken
Our Minecraft person is rich, so yeah, he bought a mansion.
gathering all the food Gina disapproves of to donate to charity.
Don't kill him. I'm not trying to.
I didn't really
Okay,
expect them to respond so
go
well.
through.
I thought it was awesome.
Here's our library.
We have this.
We have a nice little library. Those are the bookshelves.
She wants
The
to promote
chairs.
family time
Here.
and togetherness.
Okay.
Our family time and togetherness is laying down watching a movie at night. But you're taking away our family
Here's the
time and trying to live your way.
Okay.
Although the Loudon kids are
Bye,
enforcing
guys.
the rules,
Bye.
God is